Bakit? Ba't tutungtong ka dyan? I love you? Naantok ka? Ha? Anong oras na ba? Ika lang, anak. Oh, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. Oh my God. I just on the lights because Leo was here with me. He think that I am still awake, so he came with me and make kiss mama, 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 Leo, kiss mama. Kiss mo si mama, love mo ko, ha? Afash, love ko. Love mo mama? I love you too. Just sarap naman ng kiss naman. Nagigil ako ba? I just came from work. My workmate is sleepy, and me, I was late came. So my baby missed me too much. Look at him. Look at him. Look at my Leo baby ng mama. Look at my baby ng mama. How are you, my baby? How are you, my baby, my love mamang? Leo baby ng mamang? Bakit? Ano problema ng bebe? What is your problem? What is your problem, Miss Mama? Uy, ang sungit naman. Sungit mo naman. Bakit? Bakit po? Oh, sumihila yung buko. Yung buko. Mahal kita. Mahal ka ni mamang. Ikaw din, sobrang love na love ako. Sobrang love ti mama. Love din ti mama. Love ti mama. Love ti mama. I love you po. I love you po. I love you too. Ashush, ko. I love you too talaga. I love you po. Aray ko. I love you po. Leo, I love you po. Tulog na tayo. Now it's, anong oras na ba? I think 2 o'clock now. 2 o'clock, mag 3 AM na ng umaga, baby. Yala. We'll change my clothes and we're going to sleep now. Okay? Come down here. Hi. Good night po. Good night po, everyone. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night, everyone.